In today's digital age, we rely on the internet for almost everything. We use it to shop, bank, communicate, and work. However, with this convenience comes the risk of online scams and fraud, such as phishing. Phishing is a tactic used by cyber criminals to trick you into divulging sensitive information like passwords, credit card details, and personal data. In this video, we will explore what phishing is and provide you with tips on how to avoid falling prey to these scams. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to protect yourself and your information from phishing attacks. So, let's get started. Phishing is a type of online scam where attackers try to trick you into revealing sensitive information such as usernames, passwords, and credit card details. Phishing emails often look legitimate and are designed to deceive you into clicking on a link or downloading an attachment. Once you click on the link, you may be taken to a fake website that looks like the real one, where you'll be prompted to enter your login details. If you enter your login details, the attacker will have access to your account and all the information you've stored there. Phishing scams can also be used to steal your credit card information or to trick you into giving away other sensitive information that can be used to commit identity theft. Phishing attacks can happen through email, text messages, social media, and even phone calls. Attackers often use social engineering tactics to make you feel like you're under pressure or that something urgent is happening, to get you to act quickly and without thinking. To protect yourself from phishing attacks, you should always be suspicious of unsolicited emails and messages, especially if they ask you to click on a link or to enter sensitive information. Make sure to verify the sender's email address and check the URL of any links before clicking on them. If in doubt, don't click. Use strong, unique passwords for all your accounts, and consider using a password manager to help you keep track of them. Enable two-factor authentication whenever possible, which adds an extra layer of security to your accounts. By staying vigilant and taking these precautions, you can avoid falling victim to phishing scams and protect your personal information online.